Hey teacher, in this video, my homework. My daily routine. First at 6 o'clock I wake up. I get up and make the bed. Something I help prepare breakfast. Then I have breakfast and brush my things. At 7 o'clock and I go to class virtual. It usually lasts until 1 o'clock. In this afternoon, on the morning class are over, I go to lunch, and when I don't have class at 3 o'clock, I do my homework or read a light. Then at 5 o'clock I go to class in the afternoon. I go to dinner. I check my cell phone, and finally I go to sleep. Free time activities. Normally, when I have free time, I check my cell phone or listen to music. I also do homework or talk to my mother. Sometimes I usually play with my canine. Daily routine of my favorite person. My favorite person is my mom. Waking up, making bed, then showering, drying hair and brushing, then changing clothes. Eating a nutrition breakfast. Finish breakfast, brushing, then read books for half an hour. Uh, Cleaning of house. After cleaning, he will prepare a lunch. In the afternoon, he will read 1 hour, eating exercise or watching TV, and he helps my brothers with two homeworks while talk about anecdote. Free time activities for my favorite person. Yeah, and he likes to watch series, do sports, was win ride a bike, and also likes to dance. Yeah. My description. Okay, my description. Yeah. In the photo, I am wearing black gabardine pants and blue shirt and a black sweater with red lines. And in my arms is a beautiful girl. And that time I was taking care of her and trying to make her sleep. Thank you, teacher.